Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Luxchoice Airbed. It's available in queen size. It's available UK standard and United States standard, in single dimensions and in twin bed. As you like, choose your size as you need. It's an air mattress. It's inflatable, it's blow-up bed, and rapid self-inflation. That means the motor is built in. It does not need an external motor or a pump for it. Everything is on the place where it has to be. This here is a single or a double airbed for home, for the bedroom, for guests. It's compact, it's portable, of course, for vacation, for traveling, for business trips, and camping too. You see, the only thing you will need is a power supply, and then after approximately 3 minutes, you're ready to go to Lullaby. This Luxchoice Luxurious Inflatable Mattress has ergonomic zones support feature that provides continuous and maximal support for spinal alignment. This air mattress ergonomically aligns our spine, cradles our hips, and helps relieve any discomfort in our back. This inflatable bed relieves full body pressure and helps our body back to the neutral position. The 3D sleep technology makes us sleep like on the clouds. It helps to regulate the body temperature and provide extra support for better alignment, ensuring a good night's sleep wherever we are. The airbed is designed with full-length side bumpers to make sure that we are asleep throughout the complete night. The blow-up bed is crafted with a soft waterproof velvety flock top that is puncture resistant. With a non-slip stable elevated base, the premium cloud-like comfort feels from the airbed. It is perfect for a comfort nap wherever. It's also a better choice for kids taking naps and good for a movie night for the family. It's perfect for wherever life takes us. And this portable airbed with a built-in pump has a fabric tech, sturdy Durabeam construction with wave zone support that can withstand stresses, heavy load weight, and movement. The airbed has different sizes, from twin to queen size, and for a maximum load of up to 400 kilogram. 400 kilogram maximum load. This is really cool, I think. The blow-up bed folds into a smart, compact packing cube, which make it easy to store and carry within a storage bag. This Luxchoice Airbed is equipped with an integrated pump for inflation and deflation. That's cool. No matter how tired we feel, fast and fully self-inflation within 3 minutes by just plugging it in. No worry about the great night of on-the-go sleep. There is a stage air valve that we can physically inflate or deflate manually if we need it. But I like more to use the motor because the motor makes a really good vacuum into it. That's cool. Pressure relief, airflow and breathability, ergonomic zone support. In an airbed, a cozy flock top, and integrated cord storage, and a built-in pump. This is a nice bed. Ergonomic zone support improve our sleep. The ergonomic zone support provides continuous and maximal support for the spinal alignment. We release our daily body fatigue and stress from our back and shoulders while providing outstanding support for all sleep positions. And as you can see in that video, it's really easy to inflate it, of course. We place our bed on a flat surface. We're free of debris, obstruction, and sharp objects. We spread the bed out so that it can fill easily. And we allow the bed to unfold itself, may place an unnecessary strain on the bed and the pump. We make sure that the middle valve and the upper cap are closed. We turn the inflate-deflate valve on the built-in pump to inflate position to inflate the bed. We turn inflate or deflate valve to the off position once the desired firm rest has been achieved. And then you can have a nap, then you can sleep on it, then you can use it. Really cool. The Luxchoice Airbed comes with a secondary inflate or deflate option for use with a portable air pump as a backup to installed automatic pump. We can use the big valve on the other side. That is easy. The middle valve must be pushed and tightly to the bleeder valve. The upper cap must be removed from the middle valve in order to inflate. We ensure inflate-deflate valve be in the off position, and we insert a portable pump into the middle valve. This proper pump adapter fitting if needed, of course. We remove the portable pump and switch it off after it is fully charged. Then we can have a good night on it too. To deflate is really easy. We turn the inflate-deflate valve to the deflate position to deflate the bed. We deflate until the bed is fully deflated and there is a little vacuum. For faster deflation, we may open the middle valve too. We turn the valve to the position off, job's done. We fold the bed and we get it back into the bag. The bed we get into the bag to make it portable. This is really cool and it's so easy. And well, you can use it where you like. Camping, for guests, or for daily use. This is the Luxchoice Airbed. It's available in queen size, UK and US, twin bed or single bed. What you need, you can order. It is a self-inflatable, blow-up, rapid self-inflation single or double airbed for home, for the bedroom, for guests. It's compact to use it on vacation, use it outdoor because you have the second valve where you does not need an electronic support, or you use the integrated pump, and this is the comfortable way of a Luxchoice Airbed using. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.